So good evening everyone, we are the group 4 and today we will tackle about unit 4, the web and the internet. So internet is defined as an information superhighway to access information over the web. However, it can be defined in many ways. Internet is a worldwide global system of interconnected computer networks. So lesson 1, the web. The web, or also known as the World Wide Web, consists of information organized into web pages containing text and graphic images. The World Wide Web is a larger collection of interconnected documents or content. It contains hypertext links or highlighted keywords and images that lead to related information. A collection of linked web pages that has a common theme or focus is called a website. The main page that all of the pages on a particular website are organized around and linked back to is called the site's homepage. So, Sir Timothy John Berners-Lee is also known as Tim BL, is an English engineer and computer scientist, best known as the inventor of the World Wide Web. He is a professional fellow of computer science at the University of Oxford and a professor at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. So the first World Wide Web is called Web 1.0, or also known as read-only static web. So it is an old internet that only allows people to read from the internet. First stage worldwide linking web pages and hyperlink. Web is used as information portal. It uses table to positions and align elements on page. So it is the most read-only web. It focuses on companies' home pages. Dividing the World Wide Web into usable directories, it means web is used as information portal. It started in the simple idea, put content together. So here are the examples of Web 1.0. The mp3.com, the home page, the directories, the page views, or the HTML or portal. So here are the disadvantages of the Web 1.0. It is the read-only web, limited user interaction, and lack of standards.
Hi! Good day everyone, especially to our respected instructor, Ma'am Janet Barrera, ma'am. By the way, I am Aracelo Andanietes, and today I'm going to discuss to you all my assigned topic, and it's all about a Web 2.0 read or write interactive web. So this is the continuation of Unit 4, the web and the internet. So when we say a Web 2.0, so this is a term used to describe a new generation of web services and applications with an increasing emphasis on human collaborations. So first, it is a platform that gives the users the possibility or liberty to control data. The second one is, this is about a user-generated content and the read-write web. The third one is, because of this, people are consuming as well as contributing information through blogs and sites. This allows the users to interact with a page known as dynamic page. Instead of just reading page, the users may be able to comment or create a user's account. Dynamic page refers to the web page that are affected by users' input or preference. Last but not least, it is focused on the ability for people to collaborate and share information online via social media, blogging, and web page communities.
So first, I'm going to tackle the social networking. So it is the use of internet-based social media sites to stay connected with friends, family, colleagues, customers, or clients. So the examples of social networking are Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google+, Pinterest, Tumblr, Instagram, and last but not least, the page. So let's start in Facebook. So Facebook is a website which allows users who sign up for free profiles to connect with friends, work, colleagues, or people they don't know online. The second one is Twitter. So the primary purpose is to connect its users and allow them to share their thoughts with their followers and others through the use of hashtags. So LinkedIn. It is used to connect the world's professionals to make them more productive and successful. Google Plus. This is made to increase the quality of its search engine results by enabling Google to factor in social cues to deliver search results. Pinterest. It is a visual discovery engine for finding ideas like recipes, home and style inspiration, and more. Tumblr. It is a free social networking website that allows registered users to post multimedia content to their own customizable blogs. Instagram. It is a free photo and video sharing app available on iPhone and Android. And also, people can upload photos or videos to this service and share them with their followers or with a select group of friends. And last but not least, the page. The primary purpose of these websites is simply to present, share, or display some information or content online. And now let's proceed in blogs. So it is a discussion or informational website published on the World Wide Web consisting of discrete, often informal diary style text entries or post. So the examples of blogs are WordPress, Blogger, and Tumblr. And the third one is wikis. It is a hypertext publication collaboratively edited and managed by its own audience directly using a web browser. So the examples of wikis are Wikipedia, Wikibooks, Wikiversity, Commons, Wiktionary, Wikicode, Wikivoyage, Wikidata, Wikinews, Wikispecies, and last but not least, the MediaWiki. So now let's proceed in video sharing sites. It is a website that lets people upload and share their video clips with the public at large or to invited guests. So the examples of video sharing sites are YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Flickr, PhotoBucket, LinkedIn, Flickr, PhotoBucket, Twitter, View, Dailymotion, Vimeo Pro, MySpace.com, and MetaCafe. And now let's proceed in the key features of Web 2.0. So first we have the taxonomy. So it allows users to categorize and classify, arrange information using freely chosen keywords or tagging. And the second one is rich user interface. So the content is dynamic and is responsive to users' input. And examples would be a website that shows local content. The third one is user participation. So the owner of website is not the only one who is able to put content. Others are able to place a content on their own by means of comments, reviews, and evaluations. The last but not least, the long tail. So the services are offered on demand rather than on a one-time purchase. This is as synonymous to subscribing to a data plan that charges you for the amount of time you spend on the internet or a data plan that charges you for the amount of bandwidth you use. And that's all. Thank you.
Good day everyone. My name is Kinan Chair S. Noynay. So now I'll be continuing discussing the Web 3.0, the read-write intelligent web. So what is Web 3.0? So it is suggested name by John Markov of the New York Times for the third generation of the web. In this generation, all the application on web or mobile will be upgraded with more features. So it applies same principles as Web 2.0, the two-way interaction. So Web 3.0 will be more connected, open, and intelligent with semantic web technologies, distributed databases, natural language processing, machine learning, machine reasoning, and autonomous agents. So semantic web provides a framework that allows data to be shared and reused to deliver web content, specifically targeting the user. It is a web of data changing the web into a language that can be read and categorized by the system rather than humans.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Rochelle Dinakwa. For today's video, we will tackle about the types of websites. The first one is e-commerce website. Is a website people can directly buy products from. You probably used a number of e-commerce websites before. Most big brands and plenty of smaller ones have one. Any website that includes a shopping cart and a way for you to provide credit card information to make a purchase falls into this category. The second is business website. Is any website that devotes to representing a specific business. It should be branded like the business, the same logo and positioning, and communicate the types of products and or services that business offers. The next is entertainment website. If you think about your internet browsing habits, you can probably think of a few websites that you visit purely for entertainment purposes. Next is portfolio website. Are sites devoted to showing examples of past work. Service providers who want to show potential clients that quality of the work they provide can use a portfolio website to collect some of the best samples of past work they've done. This type of website is simpler to build than a business website and more focused on a particular task, collecting work samples. The next is brochure website. Are a simplified form of business websites for businesses that know they need an online presence but don't want to invest a lot into it. Maybe you're confident you continue to get most of your business from other sources. A simple brochure site that includes just a few pages that lay out the basics of what you do and provide contact information may be enough for you. The next is non-profit website. In the same way that businesses need websites to be their online presence, non-profits do as well. A non-profit website is the easiest way for many potential donors to make donations and will be the first place many people look to learn more about a non-profit and determine if they want to support it. The next is educational website. The websites of educational institutions and those offering online courses fall into the category of educational websites. These websites have the primary goal of either providing educational materials to visitors or providing information on an educational institution to them. Next is infopreneur website. Websites overlap a bit with business and e-commerce websites, but they represent a unique type of online business. Infopreneurs create and sell information products that could be in the form of courses, tutorials, videos, or ebooks. The next is personal website. Not all websites exist to make money in some way or another. Many people find value in creating personal websites to put their own thoughts out into the world. This category includes personal blogs, vlogs, and photo diaries people share with the world. The next is web portal. Are often websites designed for internal purposes at a business, organization, or institution. They collect information in different formats from different sources into one place to make all relevant information accessible to the people who need to see it. They often involve a login and personalized views for different users that ensure the information that accessible is most useful to their particular needs. The last one is wiki or community forum website. Most people are familiar with wikis through the most famous example of one out there, Wikipedia. But wikis can be created on pretty much any subject you can imagine. A wiki is any website where various users are able to collaborate or content and all make their own tweaks and changes as they see fit. There are wikis for fun communities, for business resources, and for collecting valuable information sources. That would be all. Thank you.